There's a bunny. There's a little bunny rabbit.
Okay.
Okay. He might come out hopping. Yeah? You see the little bunny rabbit?
This amazing and colorful animal is known as the blue sea dragon. And yes, it's real. Its scientific name is Glaucus atlanticus, and it's a type of sea slug. These ocean creatures are found worldwide, where they float upside down on the surface. To float, they swallow air bubbles and store them in their gas-filled sac to keep buoyancy, letting the winds and ocean currents carry them. However, sometimes the wind will carry them to undesired locations, such as beaches where they can become stranded and die. A curious thing about this creature is what they eat. Its food of choice is the